Hello and welcome to Tips and Tricks for January 2023. This month, how CirrusPrint users can remotely print from anywhere to any printer in your company.
This video will demonstrate how to use CirrusPrint to enable your remote or roaming users to print to any printer that's in your company at any location. What I've got here is the CirrusPrint admin console. I've got a company called Demo. Got several locations within that company. In particular, there's two here that I'm going to work with, my PC and a remote machine at another location. Now, my PC has the CirrusPrint client on it. That's this thing right here. This is just a view. It's really running as a service in background. I've also got output devices that can be configured within locations. Let's take a look here. We've got in that Virginia location, I've got a printer 1. This is a connection to that Virginia location. There's printer 1 right there. Now, CirrusPrint is designed to work with input sources of various types, and those sources get mapped to output devices. Let's take a look at the input source, a network port 10,000. This is a network port. There are other types of input sources, of course, but a network port is one that behaves just like a network printer does. This one I've got set up to listen on port 10,000, and here's the key. It's listening on my PC. So this CirrusPrint client is actually listening on port 10,000. This printer is configured to print to port 10,000. Take a look at the printer port configuration. So you can see it's a raw localhost printer going to port 10,000. So whenever I print to this printer, it's going to go, the job's going to go up to the CirrusPrint server, and then that's going to get routed to the Virginia printer 1. So let me go ahead and just do a quick test print, and we'll see that almost instantly lands out here on printer 1 out at that remote location. Now, we don't need any sort of connection between the two clients. In fact, I can just plain disconnect from here, and I've got nothing but an internet connection. Let me go to a simple cloud application here and choose a print job. That'll build a PDF for me. I'll print that PDF to this printer, the Virginia printer 1. Now, remember, that is actually a printer on my laptop, not out there in Virginia. So when I print this, that's going to go up to the CirrusPrint server. It will route that job out to the remote location in Virginia. Let's do a quick connect back. And we'll see that job has landed on that printer right there. So that's a quick demonstration of using network printing on a local machine that actually delivers print output to another location in your company.
Thank you, Alan. If you have any suggestions or comments about tips and tricks, email them to Dan Schmidt at dans@synergetic-data.com. For CirrusPrint tips and tricks, thank you very much. See you next month.